In today's video, I am going to teach you how to post Twitter threads on Hootsuite. If you are managing social media from one dashboard, Hootsuite can make posting much faster and more consistent. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a new post, choose the correct social account, add your caption, and publish it to X. First, click Create a Post. When you click this, you will usually see a Composer window open, often with options for content type and where you want the post to go. This is the starting point for everything you do in Hootsuite, so take a moment to make sure the Compose area is active before you continue. Next, click Select Social Accounts. After you open the Composer, Hootsuite will ask you to choose which platforms you want to publish to. This step matters because Hootsuite can manage multiple social profiles under your organization. If you skip this or choose the wrong account, your thread could be posted to a profile you did not intend to use. So, look for the selection area that lists available networks. Then, select your X account. In most cases, you will see X listed among the social accounts, and it may show the name of the profile you are connected to. Click the X option so Hootsuite knows you want this post to go to your X presence. If you manage more than one X profile, double-check that the selected one matches the account you want your thread to appear on. Now, enter your caption. This is where you type the text that accompanies your post or thread, depending on how your content is set up in Hootsuite. Keep an eye on the text box and any character or formatting guidance that appears on screen. If the caption includes important context for your thread, add it now while you still have time to review it carefully. It also helps to read the caption once more for clarity and any small fixes, such as spacing or punctuation. After you have your caption ready, click Post Now. This tells Hootsuite to publish immediately, rather than scheduling for later. When you click Post Now, watch for a confirmation message or a status indicator that tells you the post is being sent. If the platform requires a moment to process the content, it is normal to see an update like Posted or Publishing as Hootsuite completes the action. Finally, after posting, take a brief moment to confirm it went out correctly. You can do this by checking the status in Hootsuite and then looking at your X feed to verify that the thread appears as expected. This quick verification helps catch any issues right away, such as formatting differences or connectivity delays. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.